Today we're putting all of our shoes in one place, so we can easily find and slip on whatever we need, with the help of our new 4-tier shoe organizer. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to assemble and get set up quickly. Inside the box, you can find your instructions, an adorable wooden mallet, some elbow mounts, a row of hanging hooks, your side pieces, some small rods, and then a bunch of bigger rods. To set up your shoe organizer, go ahead and lay out all your parts and take them out of the rubber bands. Then grab both sides of the rods and put them together at a 90-degree angle. Hook the metal piece into the other rod and then firmly push them together so it locks into place. Then repeat this for the remaining rods. Next, grab your side mounts and small rods and insert them together and begin to stack both side walls. After you have the first 2 tiers on both sides stacked, you can connect them using the long rods you assembled earlier. Push all the long rods together with the other side walls and it begins to take shape. Then you can use your baby hammer to lightly tap it together and hold it securely in place. Assemble the next set of side walls and stack it to make the next shelf and repeat the steps from before. And then, do it again. Next, take your angle mounts and put them on the end of the rods of the final shelf. Angle them towards each other and use the small rods to connect the top. This will give you a little fence around to hold your shoes in place and keep them from falling over the sides. Lastly, put your hooks on the side and then your shoe organizer is built and ready to go. I collected all my shoes and organized them on the shelf. I found a spot for every pair and still had room left over. So on the top, I put a pillow to give the cats a space to sleep. Then I hung up my hats. All my shoes have a home and are off the ground. My cats are off the ground, everything has a place, and I couldn't be happier. Now I can see all my shoes and quickly grab whatever pair I need, for whatever situation. So if you're looking for a shoe rack with enough space and durable enough to hold up to 20 pairs of shoes and even a chicken, then this shoe rack might just be for you. Till next time, I'm gonna go kick my shoes off, put them on the shelf, and relax after this long day. See ya!